After I learned this pork chop recipe, my family asks every week. We start by seasoning 450 grams of pork steak. On a board, add salt to taste and pepper from the kingdom also to taste. Now, mix everything with your hands. And don't forget to repeat the process on both sides. We want flavor in every bite. In a frying pan, heat some olive oil. When hot, put the steaks and fry until golden brown on both sides. The smell is already beginning to invade the kitchen. Now, on a board, cut 2 units of onion and bring to fry in the same skillet. Let it brown well, because the onion will add an amazing flavor. It's time to put 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Let them brown too. Now, supplement with 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and mix well. This will help give a wonderful creaminess to our sauce. Add 240 milliliters of water and let it cook for 3 minutes. The magic is happening here. Felt there? Let's adjust the seasoning. Hit the salt, add pepper and paprika to taste. Mix everything very well and feel the delicious aroma. Now, put the pork steaks in the skillet and cook for 5 minutes. The dish is taking shape and the smell is mouth-watering. After the cooking time, we can remove this wonder from the frying pan. I do not know if I eat soon, or if I admire a little more this work of art. To finish, complete with chives and parsley to taste. Look how beautiful and appetizing it is. And here it is. Our deliciously wonderful steaks are ready to be served. Perfect for a family lunch, don't you think? Did you like this recipe? Then like and share our page to receive more amazing tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.